Imagine investing in a high-end motherboard only to discover it lacks the essential features you need. Stay tuned as we delve into the ASRock Phantom Gaming Z890I Nova Wi-Fi, uncovering both its impressive capabilities and potential shortcomings. The ASRock Phantom Nova is a compact powerhouse designed for enthusiasts seeking top-tier performance in a mini ITX form factor. Its sleek black PCB is accented with subtle RGB lighting, offering a modern aesthetic that complements any build. But does its compact size compromise its capabilities compared to larger motherboards? This motherboard supports Intel's latest Core Ultra processors, ensuring you're equipped for current and future computing demands. The robust 16 power phase design with 110A SPS delivers stable power, facilitating smooth performance and overclocking potential. With dual-channel DDR5 support up to 128GB and overclocking speeds surpassing 9,866 MHz, it caters to users requiring high-speed memory for intensive tasks. Storage options are impressive, featuring a blazing M2 slot supporting PCIe Gen 5x4 for ultra-fast data transfer, alongside two Hyper M2 slots for PCIe Gen 4x4 drives. Additionally, two SATA 6GB per second ports provide flexibility for various storage configurations. Connectivity is a standout feature. Dual Thunderbolt 4 Type-C ports offer versatile high-speed connections, while Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 ensure cutting-edge wireless capabilities. The inclusion of 5GB per second LAN port caters to users requiring high-speed wired networking. Priced competitively, the Nova offers substantial value, combining advanced features typically found in larger motherboards into a compact design. If you're looking to build a high-performance, space-efficient system, this motherboard is worth considering. For the latest deals, check out the Amazon link in the description. So what are the pros and cons of choosing this motherboard? Cons: limited to 2 RAM slots, only 2 SATA ports. Mini ITX form factor may restrict expansion options. Pros: supports latest Intel Core Ultra processors, high-speed DDR5 memory support up to 9,866 MHz, PCIe Gen 5 M2 slot for ultra-fast storage, dual Thunderbolt 4 ports, Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 for advanced wireless connectivity, robust power phase design for stable performance. If you're considering a compact yet powerful motherboard, the ASRock Phantom Nova is a compelling choice. Don't forget to check out the Amazon link in the description for the latest offers. If you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your thoughts.